Other than code, do we need to do more with version and track when working with machine learning models? And how is it achieved?
In addition to code, you want to version your multiple things now that you're dealing with the machine learning pipeline. So remember the definition of machine learning has code and data both, which are new things. The data and model are new things to the pipeline now. So you want to be versioning the data itself. And that means you could have new data sets coming in, you could have new features coming into your model. And then this data could be a new data schema, or the values of your data change. So you want to be versioning your data very frequently. And you also want to version your model as well. So with the same data, you could try out different models. It could be random forest classifier and neural network. And every model you try, that needs to be versioned as well. And then third is metrics versioning. So with the same model and data, you could have different metrics, different ways you evaluate the model. So it's also important to version the metric. And this could change based on your business use case. And then in addition to that, you want to be modularizing your code, containerizing it, so that your code is also separately tracked in addition to the data. And then you want to be storing your model data and your code data in some kind of metadata store, which has all the knowledge of these different versions. And you have your source of truth in one place.